Hello guys, I'm back again with another tutorial, and this time round I'm going to show you how to connect solar to your PC and Starlink. Shit. So first of all, let's start to theorize this theory before I show you the real thing. First, you're gonna need your solar panel. It's the one harvesting the energy. Then you're gonna need the brains. This one I'm talking about an inverter. So the inverter will convert DC to AC and also charge the battery here, and also take power from the battery when there is no input from the solar. So this inverter, it's really the brain because it also outputs this AC power, converts the DC to AC power, that's like KPLC power, so that you can power your AC devices, your computer, and AC output, charging your phones and all that. So this is the real deal here: inverter, solar panel, and battery. So without staying too long here on the explanation, that's really simple. Let me show you how I connected the Starlink and the PC to my solar. Let's get it. Everything first. These two cables are coming from the solar panel, you see. So that's the input from the solar panel, positive and negative. So that comes and enters through the solar inverter here. So that's the input. Then we have the battery here. Let me show it to you. Here is the battery. Get a clear view, right? So that's the battery. So there is a fuse here just to protect from overcurrent, and the input here, see, DC positive and DC negative. It's making some noise because it's spinning the fans to avoid overheating. So here is our inverter, and then we have the output here, you see here. So that provides AC output. So that's power. That power goes through here, our breaker box, a simple one. Then that's down to your extension here, socket, when you can connect your extension there. So that's really a simple setup. So now from there you can connect your appliances from the extension. Now you can connect your appliances. Now from the extension, you see, you can connect your appliances. This is the Starlink power supply, phone charging, TV guard here for the PC. Yes, and the power is just like that, charging our phone. So everything picks up so well, and it's just normal power like Kenya Power, because the inverter is a pure sine wave, so it produces 50 hertz just like Kenya Power. Then from the same extension you can power your PC. Let me show you this setup. See, you can power your laptop, your PC. Really nice setup. See, and we've got Ethernet coming into the PC, so confirm that I'm using Starlink. Let's check speed test here. You are getting really nice speeds. It would work to 110, so that's got us around 100 Mbps. Then let's use up another speed test. Let's go. 70, 130, 140, 150. So you're getting really nice speeds from the Starlink menu. That's above that's on the roof. So upload speed is quite low, around 17, but the download speeds are insane. So we're getting that 163 Mbps. So that's really surface. So that's how you connect a solar to power your appliances. Make sure you have your inverter, you have your battery, and I've also made a video how to size these things, so you can check the other video if you want to size your custom solar system. Thank you.